perfect, you're too good to be true. But I decided running again.
Oh, that's a large space.
Okay.
I like her pants.
Hey, that hit that. Oh, okay.
That is a very good rhythm and beats and power, really. That's brilliant, really.
That was awesome. I really enjoyed watching that. Amazing performance, Lady in Blue. I don't have much critiques because I thought it was great. You had technique, you had grooves. Keep going, keep pushing. You're a great dancer.
Testing number 2.
Ooh. This is really cool. I literally like everything about this piece. Literally. That's so good. Really? That's amazing. Literally. I like everything. But I really like that dancer's outfit and I mean literally everything. I like it.
Alright, Cotton. That was pretty cool. The movement is very K-pop choreographies. It's what it kind of reminds me of. See that you like this little shoulder thing. If I had a critique, it would be to look in the camera. You know, even though you had a beanie on, it was covering your eyes, and you had the mask on. You know, I could still tell that you're looking at the ground. So that's the only thing I think that would kind of like tie into stage presence and, you know, the camera. I know it's kind of weird dancing to the camera, but that's like your only audience, and that's where your audience is watching you from. So that would be my critique, is to look at the camera.
So I think the song choice was really good. The moves also match really well with the beats in the song. I feel like the strength, for the moves just wasn't there enough. But other than that, it was pretty good. And yeah, like I said, the moves went really well with the song. And it was a good song choice as well.
Mongolian my land. Well, this is gonna be a nice video.
There is a video. Let's change it.
Some videography.
It's in the park. It's really Mongolian dance. Really? Oh my god! Ah. It's really Mongolian dance! Ah. I'm so excited! I am literally so excited! This is amazing! And this background, are you kidding me? That's just so pretty with all the like little flowers that are blooming.
Oh.
My heart is melting. I love Mongolian dance so much. You cannot imagine how much I love Mongolian dance. And I mean, their movement is like literally
Oh, she's not done yet.
so fit. This background.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why, but this part, or this part of her choreography is
see
really
that.
speaking to me, making me feel kind of emotional.
That one literally is making me crying. I have so many feelings about that one. And I think they're doing a very good job on like literally everything, especially this background. The park they danced in, like it is like so fit what they're dancing. It's like since Mongolian dance, it's happening like on the 大草原. I don't know like whether anybody is going to understand that, but my point is everything of that piece is so on point. It is making me nostalgia.
My critique for Oni, I mean, I love the videography, setting the mood up, like, and it wasn't in your bedroom, so that's even more cool. The way you danced was very contemporary, and I enjoy watching contemporary. You look like you have maybe a couple to 3 years of choreography, if not less or more. I would say, if contemporary is something that you enjoy and you want to continue doing or doing professionally, I would implore you to look into a lot of technique, isolations. You got the moves. I think you understand expression. You're already artistic. So the next step would be to just add more technique into it. Musicality, all of that's key, making the music really pop out, because the music does set the tone. But what really matters, even though the music does matter, what really matters is the dance. The way you dance has to complement the music, and the music has to complement you. In this case, it was kind of like on and off. You kind of were in the pocket, but then you kind of came out of the pocket. I like your creativity though. I think it was really cool. I like how you used your surroundings. You're walking around. You had so much space. It seemed like you did it by yourself. Your camera was on a stand. You didn't have someone else recording you or following you around. For the production of itself, it was great.
That was very creative.